Welcome to the Hyundai i10 and i10 N-Line walk. This is the latest generation of Hyundai's A-segment model. It is now 20 mm lower and wider, giving it a sportier stance. In the front, the dynamic new design features iconic round-shaped daytime running lights that are enclosed in the white, black cascading grille. To keep you and your passengers safe, the i10 offers one of the most comprehensive safety packages in its class, with a number of standard Hyundai SmartSense active safety technologies, like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist and high beam assist. In terms of powertrains, you can choose between two enhanced and efficient petrol engines, a 1-liter 3-cylinder with 67 PS or a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder with 84 PS. Both are available with either a 5-speed manual transmission or the new 5-speed automated manual transmission. The i10 is available with newly designed 15 and 16-inch alloy wheels. And if you like, you can choose between two contrasting roof colors, Phantom Black, as you can see here, or Tomato Red, for even more personalization. In total, you can choose between 23 different color combinations. The side profile includes pronounced fenders and a newly designed C-pillar with the i10 signature. That gives the roof a floating impression. The rear shows an embracing gesture to emphasize the visual width of the i10. The newly designed tail lamps are now also available with an LED signature. With 252 liters of space, the boot of the i10 is one of the largest in the segment. And by folding down the rear seats, you can extend it even further to 1050 liters. Additionally, for easier parking, rear parking sensors and a rear camera are also available. Inside the stylish new cabin of the i10, we took inspiration from the sharp technical graphics of athletic gear. The dashboard and door trims feature a new 3D honeycomb pattern, and the circular air vents extend the dashboard further into the door trim, giving it a wider, more spacious feeling. The 8-inch touchscreen is the largest in the segment and includes a range of advanced connectivity features, like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. But also BlueLink telematics and wireless charging for smartphones are available. The all-new i10 N-Line is the fourth Hyundai model to be equipped with this dynamic trim level. Its exterior design enhancements include a unique front bumper design with red accents, unique LED daytime running lights, and the N-Line logo on the glossy black grille, giving the car a dynamic look. Underneath the bonnet, we have the new 1-liter turbo GDI engine delivering 100 PS. That is exclusive to the N-Line. Moving on to the side, you can see the exclusive 16-inch alloy wheels, the N-Line emblem on the front fender, and on the C-pillar we have the i10 signature now in red font, giving the car a more sporty attitude. At the rear, the i10 N-Line comes with dual chrome exhaust tips and a black diffuser with a red accent line above, completing the sporty package. The interior trim is unique to the i10 N-Line, and it underlines its dynamic character. As you can see, there is a black headliner and red accents on the air vents. Furthermore, there's red stitching on the seats and the new sporty steering wheel with the N logo. Furthermore, we have a dedicated N-Line shift knob and metal pedals to finish off the N-Line package. We hope you have enjoyed the Hyundai i10 walk.